folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. Check it out. So I've discovered a strategy that, trust me, no one is using right here on ClickBank, that basically, if you follow what I'm about to show you here, as a matter of fact, let me just log in. Let me show you how much money I'm making right now on ClickBank. This is a brand new account, just brand new, and I'm doing it for free, and it's a backdoor way to earn money on ClickBank here. You see that's about almost $7,000 here. Check the dates here. And I'm doing this without spending a dime. Okay, this is a loophole in ClickBank. And the great thing about it, you don't have to spend any money. No skill is necessary. And if you'll just pay attention, you're gonna like me, love me, hate me. But this works. This is a brand new account here. As a matter of fact, I just got a check that just got sent to me. If I go to paychecks here, just to show you here, 12/17, it was issued. I'm not sure if it's in my mailbox yet, but if you allow me to show you that this is something that no one, trust me, is using. I stole it from a course. It was a course that somebody bought, and I took it and I said, that course that person just bought, that stuff should have been for free. So let me show you what you got to do. So first step is you need to get a free ClickBank account. Now listen, for anybody that's not in the ClickBank state or city or province here, all you need to do is find somebody in another state or city where it's listed. So, right? So when you register for the new ClickBank account, when you go to create account here, just find somebody that lives in these countries. That's all you have to do. If you live in Africa or other countries that are not available, I have a ton of people that do it every single day. So don't let that stop you. One. Then next thing, so once you log in, let me log back in here. Boom, boom, bada bing. And remember, folks, you can always smash the like button and like the video, only if you get value. Listen, I don't want your likes or shares until I give you massive value. Go to Marketplace here. It's very transparent. Just follow what I'm doing here. Type in these words, income, okay? And when you type in income, you scroll down, and you're going to see something that says Perpetual Income 365. This is what I promoted, and I'm going to show you how to get the traffic, and I'm going to show you how quickly, ABC 1, 2, 3, that you can do this right now, okay? So listen, you want to click on where it says affiliate page here, okay? See that right there? That's going to open up another thing here. Scroll down, right? So basically here, you need to go here, bam. Whatever your first name is, it could be like me, Wes. It could be Big Head. I'm not sure here. Whatever your name is, right? It could be Big BG or like me now at west.com. Whatever your email is in your ClickBank ID. Very important. I love Wes. Maybe that's your ID. Not sure. Join the fun here. Okay, now this is where it gets cool. Now listen, keep that window open. Now this is usually the point where people go wrong and never make money. So stick with me. I'm going to go very slow on this one. Next step is you got to open up Facebook, okay? Open up a Facebook account. And as you can see here, I'm Ethel Newland because you can use several Facebook accounts automatically to do this, right? And I'm going to show you how. It's just a backdoor loophole, right? So listen, what you want to type here is income. I'm going to say Houston, Texas. The reason why I say Houston, Texas, because I live in Houston, Texas. If you live in Africa, type in Africa. If you live in San Diego, California, New York. The reason why you want to do that, you want to get very targeted when you start to send traffic to the offer. Does that make sense? So what you want to do is go down to groups. Okay? Groups here. Let that open up. Give me a second. Let that open here. And listen, while we're waiting here, go ahead and smash the like button. This video is sponsored by Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Show me some love because I love you. So check it out. Now, the great thing about this, check it out. You see where it says jobs in Houston? Everybody's always looking for a job, right? So you want to join that group, okay? Let's see here. Scroll down here, okay? I'm also going to join a group such as passive income as well. The reason why we're using the word income, let me tell you why. Now, this is the secret here, and this is what nobody's telling you here. right here, we're going to promote perpetual income. So we want to have that word in the actual search engine on Facebook when we're searching for groups to join, because people want income. So when they see your offer, when they see the word income, they're more likely to engage. Does that make sense? Like you're engaging right now. Smash the like button if that makes sense. That's like, let me give you an example. It's like going to google.com and saying, I want to make money, right? So listen, when you type in I want to make money, what a person is looking for, this is psychological, right? They're searching for money. How I want to make money. So look at that, easy ways to make money. So they're looking for the word that matches what's in their brain, what they're searching for. I can't search I want to make money and you might have something down here, how to make $2 in 2 days. No, I want to see the word make money. That's important. Okay, so when we're in those groups on Facebook, we want to search for income, okay? The word income. Does that make sense? So you want to go ahead and join all these groups here, okay? Passive income. This is a good group here, okay? So look, let me go back to Income Houston. Let me show you what you have to post. It's very simple, so stay with me. I mean, this is going to blow your mind. This is so simple, and you're going to find yourself making a couple of $1,000s per month, and you're going to realize you don't need to work for $10, $15, $12 an hour anymore. Check it out. Watch this. Children, teenagers are going to love this. Now check it out. Income Houston. Okay. Go back to groups. Okay. And once that open up, what we're going to do is we're just going to make one simple post. And I want you to write it down. And I want you to make sure you write it down verbatim here. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. Bada boom, bada bing. Jobs. Here we go. Here's another group here. Let's join that group. And listen, you're going to do this in many groups. This is all you're going to do when you hit a post. This is it. Looking to hire internet managers. That's it. Right? Pay is between. And this works very well. I did this and it still works. I still do this now. Right? I did it a few days ago and it's rocking and rolling for me. Look at that. $5,000 per month. Comment below. I am in if you are interested. Serious inquiries only. I'm sorry if I didn't spell this correctly. It's all good. You see that right there? And guys, if you hear some noise in the background, it's because my kids stay back there. They're making so much noise, but it's all good. So check it out. Then you just post it. Then what happens is people are going to say, I'm in. Because everybody's looking for a job that's going to pay $1,000 extra $1,000, $5,000 per month. Does that make sense? Everybody wants some extra money here. So you're going to post exactly what I just posted in the group. What's going to happen? People are going to start commenting. I'm in. Now listen, this is another very important part of the process here. You want to go back here, okay? Go back here, and let's go back to ClickBank here, okay? Here we go. You want to hit the word promote. This is your affiliate link. You need to put your account nickname there. If you don't do that, you don't get paid. I'm going to be honest. You got to make sure you put your nickname, which is your ClickBank ID right here. Very important. Smash the like button if you got that. Now, ram that in the back of your head, okay? Generate hop links, and that's the link that you're going to use when people start to reach out to you on Facebook, because they will. It happens all day long. Are you with me here? Does that make sense? All day long. This right here. Go ahead and screenshot that. Okay? Looking to hire internet managers. Pay us between, you can change that to $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Comment below, I am in if you're interested. Serious inquiries only. You post that in every job group in your town, in your city, right? Because it's more likely for people to respond. Now listen, once people start to comment and respond, all you do is you reach out to them in a DM, okay? And you say, if you're serious, that's the first question you ask. Are you serious? They're going to say yes. Okay, great. Go to this link right here and get back to me in 15 minutes and we're going to get started. That's all you do. Okay? It's just a way to make some quick cash. You're not going to make $1 million, but listen, everybody's going to click the link. You're going to say, are you serious? That's the first question that you ask. Don't forget that. Whenever you reach out to people on ClickBank here, okay, you want to ask them, hey, are you serious? Right? Because you're going to reach out to them and say, hey, I saw that you're coming. I'm in. I just want to know, are you very serious? Yes. Okay, great. Here's the link. Go here first. Get everything. Watch it. And come back to me in 20 minutes. And we're going to get started. You just send it to everybody. I'm telling you, more than 40 to 50% of people will buy. This is why I made the money. Look, I did that. I did exactly what I just showed you. You see this right here? Boom. This is autopilot money. You know, as a matter of fact, I got somebody else doing it. And guess what? I know a lot of you, and I say, okay, Wesley, that's easy. But I'm old. I'm not that technical, or I'm not too young. Is there a better way that all this that you just showed me, can we do it on autopilot? Yes, absolutely. Right here. Boom. Autopilot ClickBank site. This is a true software that I partner with, and it works. Listen, I'm going to leave a link in the bio below if you want it. Get it. Usually this software costs about $1,000 per month, and all it does, everything that you just seen me do on a manual standpoint, you click a button, and it happens 1,000 times X. So that means that instead of having one ClickBank account, you have 20. Does that make sense? Can you hear the word ching ching? Say ching ching. Hello? Ching ching. Exactly. Smash the like button. So listen, if you want it, first 10 people, you know how we rock. This software is so amazing. First 10 people that click the link in the bio below, that take it, it's only $17 just for you. Check it out. Listen, you don't have to get it. It's up to you, but it works. As you can see here, you got to really imagine yourself making money every single day during the holidays, New Year's, first quarter, third quarter, because why? Your goal is to quit your freaking job. Can I get an amen? Your job is to drop out of school, right? Because you don't want to go. I get it. Like if you're making $400 a day, what's the point of going to school? That's $16,000 per month. Can I get an amen? Smash the like button if you can't say amen. But like I said, I got a link that's in the description below. The software is popular. And as a matter of fact, the first 10 people I'm going to show you, I'm going to have a video just for you. And I'm going to show you live how I did it and how other people are using this software right now to earn $100 per hour. You can see it's $53 per hour in 60 seconds flat. And I know it sounds crazy, but once you get the software, you'll find out it's simple, it's easy, and you can do it. Hey, much love. First 10 people in the description below. Grab it right now before it's too late. Much love. Let's go. Later, folks.